So let's see how you can find the area of a parallelogram and a triangle using the cross product. So it says that we can represent a parallelogram like this. So u and v are adjacent vectors. This is u and this is v. And they are adjacent vectors, they're non-zero vectors, and the angle between them is theta, this angle right here. So now you can make a parallelogram shape by making these two lines. This line is parallel to the vector v and this line is parallel to the vector u. And now you can basically see that this is the height of the parallelogram, and h, this height, is equal to the magnitude of u into sine theta, because sine theta, the sine of this angle, is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. The opposite is h, and the hypotenuse is u. And once you take u to the other side, you get this. H is equal to the magnitude of u into sine theta. Simple. And now the area of the parallelogram is equal to the base into the height. The height is u, magnitude of u into sine theta. And what is the base? It's v. So base into height is equal to uv sine theta. Now remember this formula where it u cross v is equal to the magnitude of u into the magnitude of v into sine theta n. Now what was n equal to? N was equal to u cross v over u magnitude of u into v into sine theta. And this term in the denominator can be written down as the magnitude of u cross v. So u cross v over the magnitude of u cross v, right? And since we're not concerned with this particular expression over here, because we're just here to find the area, you can basically write this particular term over here is equal to the denominator over here. So you can write that down like that. So the area of the parallelogram is equal to the magnitude of u cross v. Simple. Now let's find the area of the triangle. And instead of going into complications, let's make this really simple. We have the same parallelogram again, right? We need to find the area of this triangle, right? What is the area of this triangle? Well, it is half of the area of the parallelogram, because this triangle and this triangle are the same. So basically the area of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram, which means that the area of the triangle is half of half of the magnitude of u cross v, or basically it can be written down as half of u, the magnitude of u into the magnitude of v into sine theta, which is basically just this angle over here.